Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary, market week ending Friday, March 28th, 2014. Market breadth. With this past week's market decline, our bull-bear point and figure ratio fell from 1.79 to 1.23, still within bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns fell 2% to 2,066. The count of bearish stocks increased 23%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 16%. The Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 7 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on Membership, and clicking Sign Up. For those who are interested, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 245 points for the 18th decline in 33 weeks. At a positive 109.23 points, it has fallen below the April 2011 high and the November 2012 high, and is now below all 9 tops above plus 100 and is above all 6 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 35 months. Market Gauge Volume Analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, it had 0 accumulation days and 5 distribution days. Of the other indexes, both the S&P 500 Deposit Receipts and the Diamonds Trust ended in distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Russell 2000 ended in distribution mode. Momentum. At close Friday 3/28, the CCI 20 had 6 consecutive days below zero for a change in trend. At minus 165.21, it is currently outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 58 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's downtrend this week. The CCI 20 weekly fell below plus 100, so we will exit the trade at Monday 3/31 open. We will report the results of this trade simulation in next week's commentary. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish, banks continues in the top 5. Gold and silver has entered and leads the bottom 5. Bearish, networkers and S&P retail continue in the bottom 5. Brokers has entered the bottom 5. Oil services and oil have entered the top 5. Disk drives and computer hardware have left the top 5. Focus this week. Financial reporter and documentary filmmaker Bill Still has an interesting YouTube report out on cryptocurrencies. Bill asks, are gold-backed cryptocurrencies the answer? G. Edward Griffin seems to think so. Hoping that you enjoy that video and hoping that you have had a great weekend, that you have a great week coming up. We thank you for joining us for this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, and we wish you true success.